Hello students, today we are going to study next point universal gates. The NAND and NOR gates are called as a universal gates because it is possible to implement any boolean expression with the help of NAND and NOR gate. So these two gates are called as a universal gates. By using this expression we convert any other boolean expression is in the form of NAND and NOR, so this is called as a universal gate. By using NAND and NOR gate, we convert any other Boolean expression, and that in this universality, that is a basic gates and or not, that expression is converted into in the form of NAND gate, so that is known as the universal gates. First, universality of NAND gate. By using NAND gate, we expressed the boolean expression is in the form of this universal gates expression. So expression of y is equal to a into b bar, this is the expression of NAND gate, and so we have to bring the given boolean expression is in the form of NAND gate, that is a into b bar. And that first universality of using not as a NAND, we study here that point universality of NAND gate, so that is a not as a NAND. First, y is equal to a into b bar, this is the equation first of NAND gate, this is the equation of NAND gate. So put a is equal to b is equal to a in a equation first. So this expression a into a bar, that log a into a is represented as a, so this expression is a y is equal to a bar, that is the not as a NAND, this is a universality, but only in this not as a NAND is a change, as by expression of NAND we convert the expression of NOT gate, but other universality, that is OR as a NAND and as a NAND, that expression OR gate AND gate we convert is in the form of NAND gate. There is only change in NOT as a NAND, from the expression of NAND we convert the expression of NOT. So that diagram is only in the form of NAND gate, that is we here study, that is the point universality. So diagram is also only in the form of NAND gate, that is y is equal to a bar, this is the expression we draw in the form of NAND gate. But NAND gate there are the two inputs a and b, but here is the output as a y is equal to a bar, so a and b we combine and one input is given as a, so output is a y is equal to a bar. This is the universality of NAND gate, not as a NAND, that is the expression is in the form of NAND gate. This is the first universality, not as a NAND. Next point, and as a NAND, that and as a NAND, y is equal to a into b, this is the expression of AND gate, this is the expression of AND gate. This expression we convert in the form of NAND expression, that expression of NAND gate y is equal to a into b bar, So take double inversion on RHS side, on a RHS. So y is equal to a into b double bar, this is a expression, and a into b bar complete bar, this is represented as in the form of NAND gate. So y is equal to a into b is represented as in the form of NAND a into b double bar, this is the AND as a NAND, but in a not as a NAND, by the expression of NAND we bring the expression of NOT gate, but other universality by expression of AND gate or OR gate we convert that expression is in the form of NAND gate, that is known as a universal gate. So A into B complete bar, and this is a double bar, and this double bar is represented as a original term A into B, that is a AND gate is represented in the form of NAND A into B double bar. So diagram is also in the form of only NAND gate. So this is a complete bar. So A, B input and output of this first NAND gate A into B bar, A into B bar, and another one in another bar is represented. So we here connect another one NAND gate. So output of this NAND gate is represented as A into B double bar. This A into B is a AND as a NAND, that is this AND expression is represented as in the form of NAND, and this expression we diagrammatically here draw, that is using only NAND gate. This is a AND using NAND. Next expression, OR gate using NAND. OR gate using NAND only in the form of NAND gate. So expression of OR gate, y is equal to a plus b. A plus b. This expression is converted into the NAND form, and that expression of NAND gate y is equal to a into b complete bar. So for this expression, take double inversion on a RHS side. So this expression a plus b double bar, a plus b bar, this is a plus sign, not represented as in the form of NAND gate. So that expression of NAND gate y is equal to a into b complete bar, but here is that term is represented as a plus sign. So we convert this expression is in the form of NAND gate. So for this first bar, we apply the De Morgan's theorem. By De Morgan's theorem, that De Morgan's theorem for a plus b bar, that is a sum of complement, is equal to product of complement of each individual term. So this expression y is equal to represented a bar into b bar and complete bar, a bar into b bar complete bar. This is expressed as in the form of NAND gate. That expression of NAND gate a into b bar, So y is equal to a plus b is represented as in the form of NAND gate a bar, b bar and complete bar. That is the universality of OR gate using NAND, that is in the form of NAND gate. That only change in a NOT gate. By expression of NAND gate we convert the NOT gate, and other these two gates, expression of OR gate and NAND gate, that converted is in the form of NAND gate. So diagram is only in the form of NAND gate. So this is a single bar, but not NAND gate having two inputs. So these two inputs are combined, A and B, and there is a one input is given as A. So output of this first NAND gate is a bar. That diagram is only in the form of NAND gate, and another input is here B bar. So another NAND gate, there are the two inputs for NAND gate. So these two are combined, and for this we given input as a B. So output of this NAND gate is a B bar. There is another one single bar. So there is a product term. So we connect another one NAND gate. This is the NAND gate, and this A bar as the input of this this next NAND gate. This B bar is the input of next NAND gate. So output of this NAND gate is A bar, B bar and this complete bar. This is the expression of OR gate using NAND is in the form of diagrammatically we here study. This is the universality of OR gate using NAND, and we study in this point there is a universality of NAND gate, that not as a NAND and as a NAND or as a NAND. This is the universality of NAND gate. This is the universality of NAND gate. Next point, that is a universality of NOR gate. In this universality we convert any other expression or any Boolean expression in the form of NOR gate only. Universality of NOR gate. Universality of NOR gate. In this expression, in this universality of NOR gate, that convert any other Boolean expression is in the form of NOR gate. So expression of NOR gate, y is equal to a plus b bar. First universality, not as a NOR. Not as a NOR. Only change for this universality, not as a NOR or not as a NAND. By expression of NAND or NOR, we convert that expression is in the form of NOT. So expression of NOR gate, y is equal to a plus b bar. A plus b bar. But NOT gate having only one input, but here are the two variables. So in this expression, y is equal to put a is equal to b is equal to a. So this expression is represented y is equal to a plus a bar. There is a law, a plus a is represented as a. So this expression a plus a is equal to a bar, that y is equal to a bar, that is the NOT gate expression. Only universality of NOT as a NOR. By expression of NOR gate we convert NOT gate expression, but other universality or expression and expression is in the form of NOR gate. Diagram is only in the form of NOR gate. There is a, for NOR gate, this is the symbol of NOR gate. There are the two inputs a and b. But here in the expression y is equal to a bar, only one input is represented. So a and b combine, and for NOR gate is a one input a. So output is y is equal to a bar. This is the diagram is in the form of only NOR gate. Next universality, and using NOR. And using NOR. In this universality, expression of AND is in the form of NOR gate. So y is equal to expression of AND gate. This is the expression of AND gate. Expression of AND gate, a into b. This is converted into in the form of NOR gate. So for this expression, take the double inversion. Take double inversion on RHS. So this expression y is equal to a into b double bar. A into b double bar. This is the product term, but that is a NOR gate expression, y is equal to a plus b bar. So this expression is converted in a universality of NOR gate. So first this single bar we apply the De Morgan's theorem. By De Morgan's theorem, y is equal to a into b bar. A into b bar. This term is product of complement is equal to sum of complement of each individual term. Sum of complement of each individual term. So this expression, equation 1 is represented y is equal to a bar plus b bar and this complete bar. So this expression is represented in the form of NOR gate. So this is the universality of AND using NOR. AND using NOR. So this diagram, this equation is represented only NOR form, in the NOR, but NOR having two inputs a and b. Here this term is represented single bar, but NOR gate having two inputs, so these two inputs are combined and only one input is a given. So output of this NOR gate as a bar. This second term is represented as a b bar. So NOR gate having two inputs, that two inputs are combined and b input is given and output is a b bar. So this is a bar and b bar, and another one term is represented as a complete bar. So we connect another one NOR gate. So output of this NOR gate last is represented a bar plus b bar and complete bar. This is the universality of AND using NOR. That AND expression we convert in the form of NOR gate a plus b complete bar. This is the universality of AND using NOR. In this universality, by the expression of AND gate, we convert that expression in the form of NOR, but not as a NOR. In that expression, by NOR gate expression is converted into NOT gate. That is only one change. Next universality, OR gate using NOR. OR gate using NOR. Expression of OR gate y is equal to a plus b. This is the OR gate expression. This is the OR gate expression, Boolean expression. This expression is converted into NOR gate. So take double inversion on a RHS side. Take double inversion on a RHS side. So y is equal to a plus b double bar. Y is equal to a plus b double bar. A plus b complete bar. This is a represented expression of NOR gate. So here we cannot apply the De Morgan's theorem. This term is in the form of NOR gate. So term a plus b is represented as a plus b double bar. This is the expression of OR is in the form of NOR gate. So this is the universality of OR gate using NOR. OR gate using NOR. Here we cannot apply the De Morgan's theorem because this term is in the form of NOR. That is a plus sign and complete bar. So cannot split that expression by using De Morgan's theorem. Only take the double inversion. So this a plus b is in the form of NOR is represented a plus b double bar. This is the universality of OR gate using NOR. So this expression is in the form of only NOR gate. So NOR gate having two inputs a, b. These two inputs. So output of this NOR gate complete bar here. So this is a plus b. And another here is bar represented. So we connect another one NOR gate. This is symbol of NOR gate. A, B combine and this output is input of this NOR gate. So output of this last NOR gate is represented a plus b double bar. A plus b double bar. This is the universality of OR gate using NOR. In this point, we study the universality of basic gates, that basic gates OR, NOT, AND by using NAND gate, and another point universality of NOR gate, that NOT, OR, AND gate, this converted in the form of NOR expression. This is called as a universality of NAND and NOR, that any Boolean expression we convert in the form of NAND and NOR. So these two gates are called as a universal gates, and by this point we study practical one, that is a universality of NAND and NOR. This is the universality of NAND and NOR. Only not as a NAND and not as a NOR. By expression of NOT or NOR, we convert that expression in the form of in the NOT gate. But other expression, that expression of OR gate, AND gate, that convert into NAND and NOR gate. So this is called as a universal gate. That expression is convert into the form of NAND expression and a NOR expression. So these gates are called, this is called as a universality. And diagram also is in the form of only NAND and NOR. So this is known as a universality. This is known as a universality. This is the point we complete, that is a universality of NAND and NOR. Next lecture we study the TTL as a NAND. Thank you watching this video.